Hey guys, it's Finn. In this video, I'm going to show you how we go from a one-dimensional MNIST input to a two-dimensional MNIST input, which is very important later on. But we are going to do this right now. So in the last video, we implemented the transformation layer, so we can deal with two-dimensional, three-dimensional inputs. The MNIST dataset is just black and white, so there's no color in there, but we still have like the width and the height of our image, and this is 28 by 28. Therefore, we're going to have a two-dimensional array as well. Because we don't have any color, just black and white, we don't need a third dimension, and we can stick with 2 dimensions. So I've used the exact same code as we did before. Actually, this needs to be there. So this is like the exact same code, except that the input is now 2-dimensional, 28 by 28, and we're just iterating through that as well as we did before. And the input is like now j divided by 28 and j modulo times modulo 28. And this is already it for changing the one-dimensional input to the two-dimensional input. And the trainer work, it's the same, the test network, nothing changed there. And I've already implemented a little example where I'm showing you how this works right now. So we have a new network builder, and the input is 28 by 28. Then we're going to add the transformation layer to cut it down to only a input height. The input width will be gone; it will be decreased to 1. And then we can add, like what we did before, a new dense layer with a rates range, bias range, a sigmoid activation function, and so on. And hopefully, if I run this and I didn't mess up anything, this should, I hope that's the right code. Yeah, it is. So it's preparing the data, and yeah, the error is reducing very quickly, and eventually we will, okay, well, that's a lot of, no, that's not even that much. And I'll just quickly wait for that. I've also found a few mistakes that I've done in the past few videos, and it's not about coding, it's about the theory, and I'm going to clear that in one of the next videos. It's not that huge of a mistake, but I think it's called catastrophic interference or something like that. And yeah, I need to fix that one. This is really important, I think. Also, I've worked in the past a lot on these videos, and I've got a lot of new things that I'm also going to show you in the next few videos, hopefully. For example, I'm going to have a new activation function, a new error function, and so on. And the error is pretty good, I think. We don't have a lot of images right now, but yeah, it still works perfectly as expected. And this is already it for this video. And I'm going to make a few new videos about activation functions and error functions, and when we want to use which activation function. So I hope to see you in the next video.